everyone, and welcome to our Corner Creature Bookmarks for our summer reading program, our Tales and Tales themed summer reading. I am Melanie from Charlotte County Libraries and History, and today I'm going to show you how to fold the basic shape of your corner bookmarks. So each kit that you get will be for one animal, and it will have all of the things that you need to make the animal, including the instruction packet that you see here. It tells you detailed instructions for each of the animals you could get. You will also get the correct colored square for your corner bookmark and the little perforated sheet that has all of the other features you would need, and some stickers for your eyes or ears of your animal. So first I'm going to show you how to fold it. So you're going to take the bottom corner and you're going to fold it up till it touches the top corner. And creases are really important in origami, so you want to make sure all of your creases are super tight. Now you're going to take the bottom right corner and fold it up to the top, so it's the same corner you folded up the bottom to, and you're going to crease your line. And you're going to do the same thing on the left side, fold it up to the top. Now you're going to unfold it and you're going to take the top that you folded on one of the pages, not both, and you're going to fold it down to the bottom. So it'll be flush with the bottom line, right in the middle. Now you're going to take the right corner and you're going to fold it in so it meets at the same point that you just folded the top down to, right in the middle. And you're going to do the same with the other side. Now you take the sides you just folded and you're going to tuck it inside. So the tip is going to touch the same spot in the exact middle, but it's going to be inside of the original bottom fold you made. And this creates your pocket for your corner bookmark. So that's where the bookmark's going to sit on the book page. Now, depending on which animal you have will depend on how you orient the other features of the animal that you have. So each sheet that you get has perforated animal accessories like ears, nose, and you're going to pull them all out. And your instruction sheet that you have shows you how they go on your corner bookmark. And now you're going to use a glue stick and you're going to adhere the pieces of your animal to your corner bookmark according to the directions that you have. So things like the ears for all the animals are going to go on the back. So you just need a little bit of glue on the edge that goes overlapping with the back of your corner, just like that. And then they stick out from the back of it. So that's going to be like the lion mane, the hedgehog frills, the fins of the shark, the tail of the raccoon, and all of the ears of each of the animals are going to go on the back. Once you have all of your extra features glued on, you're going to take the stickers that are provided for you and you're going to put them on like in the pictures. And this is our finished koala bookmark. So the raccoon is different from the one we made first because it goes upside down. So instead of having the corner pouch at the top of your bookmark, it's going to be at the bottom. So this is the case for the raccoon and the fox. So I wanted to take the time to show you guys what that one will look like if you have one of those two kits, because it is a little bit different. And it is explained in the photo instructions you have, but I just wanted to show you here. And instead of the ears going on the back, like in all the other animals, they're going to go on the inside of the pouch. And this is just for the fox and the raccoon for the ears. The pig and the frog both also have something attached to the pouch, but that's the tongue and the legs, and those are a little bit different. But it'll be the same process of just gluing them to the inside of the pouch. And then you're going to glue the raccoon tail onto the back. And then put your stickers on. And that's your finished raccoon. There's one more thing I wanted to show you. Some of the kits, the lion, the fox, and the shark, have an extra red square, and those are going to be the inside of the mouth. So what you're going to do is you're just going to put, after you finish your animal bookmark, you're just going to put glue on the entire back of the red, and you're just going to put it right in the pouch. And that's the mouth. Thank you guys for watching. These are all the finished products, and have a great summer.